Hey, Ag Teacher Thoughts here, coming at you with another video. Well, we're in the last few hours of Mother's Day, and we're trying to finish off a dozen flower basket mixes or container mixes for Mother's Day. And I know it's down to the wire. I'm out of time, but we've got another one that we're going to go ahead and put together here, and we figured we'd bring you along for that ride. So we're going to start it off with our standard bioluminescent Firefly Petunia. Those are the ones that glow in the dark. Right here we have one of the white ones, but they also come in bicolor pink and in pink. But we're going to use the white one today. So we're going to go ahead and unpop this one. Add it into our container. Just like so. There she goes. Get her hanging over there. Okay, so that's going to be the first plant in our container. We'll bring you a little bit closer and we'll show you the other two. Okay, so in our Firefly Petunia container, we're going to go ahead and add in Superbells Lemon Slice, which is a Calibrachoa Petunia. So that is what that one looks like. And we're just putting 3 plants in our container. So we're going to put this one off here to the side. And we're going to put this in a triangular style planting and add some extra potting media in there to make sure it's nice and supported. We're not exposing those roots to the air where they'll dry out too quickly. We're not compacting that potting media. We're making sure that it stays nice and light. Now, the other thing we have here is Superbells Coral Sun. That's another Calibrachoa, and that is just striking in the evening. Go ahead and put that one in. Okay. There we go. We're just going to go ahead and put that in here. We're going to add a little bit more soil mix in here. Tuck this one in. Give it a little shimmy and a shake. And then we're just going to even out the soil surfaces and we will water that in. All right. And as always with our containers, we make sure that we take those tags and we stick them in one of the corners. So if we want to know what we have in there at a later time, we can always go back and review those. So this basket's going to continue to fill out. This Firefly Petunia is going to come more this direction, and these Calibrachoas are going to drape down more. It's time to go over and add it to our planting area where we are accumulating everything before we space it out around the garden. So I'll meet you over there. All right, time to add it to our stairs planting. I'm going to go ahead and just tuck them in right there. That is going to look fantastic once it really fills out. So I hope you've enjoyed a little bit of this series where we look at ways that we can incorporate Firefly Petunias into our garden, doing different container and basket plantings. Now, with these, we will show you all the other care that you need to do as far as removing old seed heads, fertilizing the plant, watering, and pest control. All those videos are going to be right here on the channel. So make sure you subscribe. So if you get yourself a Firefly Petunia from Light Bio's website, which is www.light.bio, or direct from one of the local nursery retailers to you, or even at Home Depot where they are now available, you can experience this glow in your garden. And in a couple hours, when it gets nice and dark out here, it's going to be really pretty. Quite enjoyable. And I will be shooting some videos later on to give you some helpful hints to seeing your Firefly Petunias in your garden. If you believe we've earned your subscription, go ahead and subscribe to Ag Teacher Thoughts. If you would like to support the channel, you can go to patreon.com/agteacherthoughts and join our crew over there on Patreon. Over there, it's just $5 a month, and you get access to content that you're not going to find here on the regular channel. You get extended cuts from all of the plantings, but in addition to that, you also get to have some of our special science projects that we're working on, some of our secret projects that we don't talk about yet. But anyway, they will be over there. Upcoming projects include more of our Firefly Petunia hybridization. And then there's a new one where we are in a quest for Firefly tobacco. Yeah, I've got a science project to see if I can resurrect Firefly tobacco. That's exclusively on Patreon. So if you'd like to see that, you got to head on over there. Anyway, I thank you very much for joining us today. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed. Ag Teacher Thoughts out. Now to get you watered.